Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Some new features to recruited users of Honor 9X and 9X Pro in China. They now receiving official Emui 10 beta update. On the other hand, the Emui 10 beta program is still inside the air for the Honor 9X series, and a brand new beta firmware starts to roll out for those devices, bringing a set of new improvements. This new Emui 10 beta for Honor 9X and 9X Pro comes with Emui version 10.0.1.120. This update is for the internal beta of Emui 10 program testers, as a stable update may come in the upcoming month. Open your settings and go to System and Update section. If update already came there, then simply update it. If you using HiCare app, then open it and look for Service tab. You would find Update section. Simply update it from there.